Well, ladies, come on in, gentlemen. We are going to give you a very quick ice cream is what it's called, berry with a B. And you can feature any type of fruit that you would like. You can use strawberries, you can use raspberries, you can use blueberries, you can use peaches. I thought I had strawberries, but I got some raspberries, and that is what we're going to use today, and it still will taste good. We are featuring, as you see with Cindy, featuring our Power Chef system. So I'm not going to tell you about that since she already did. You already know with the special that we have. I'm like, Inky, let me tell you about the special that is in our brochure this month. And so it features the premium Power Chef system. That means you'll have that large Power Chef system with the small chop and prep combined. It's going to have just one of the mechanisms to go with both. And so you'll be able to use it, but we're going to be using the large Power Chef system today. We're also featuring our measuring spoons. And with our measuring spoons, I'm going to be using the tablespoon, but we are more than any of the other companies. We have 6 types of measurements when it comes to the measuring spoons and 6 types of measurements when it comes to the measuring cups, more than many of the companies out there. So you're going to see me put it all together today, and we're going to be featuring our ice cream scoop. If you have never gotten the ice cream scoop and tried it out, trust me, it is better than anything out there. It will melt upon impact, as well as our silicone spatula. So let's go on and get ready, and I am going to be using my Power Chef system that we have. So what it does, this recipe literally was from Tupperware, and they're in your net items or sales aids. You'll find that they have what they call the date me. And the date me's are different recipes that you can be able to pick up. And some of you have these recipes in like when you had a kid and you were able to get different recipes to put together for your kids so you can be able to do a party. What it asks for is 1 cup of the raspberries. And I'm going to show you because I did already make this, but I want to show you how you put it together. Just drop it all simply. And there are only 4 ingredients. So we're going to have the raspberries or the strawberries or whatever type of frozen fruit that you would like. And the great thing is, as you see beside me, I always try to put a display that's attracting to the eye. Like we're going to be featuring this month our hostess gift specials with the clearly elegant bowls. And then of course you see the modular mates which store our products that we're putting together here. And this particular bowl was the frozen berries. Also, it asks for a cup. Now a cup of heavy whipping cream. Now we don't have this particular one anymore. You can go on and put it into your regular, either your measuring cup, or you can have it into your quick shake, or you can use one of your other types of Tupperware products to show how you can use those when you're making these recipes. And so we're going to pour that in there, just simply pouring it in. Okay. Then it asks for you to put in for a 1 tablespoon of vanilla. Okay. So we're going to use some vanilla extract. And we're going to be using that. So let's get our tablespoon. And that 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, I'm going to use that, put that in there last, because it also calls for 3 tablespoons of our powdered sugar. So in our super oval modular mate, we're going to be able to feature how you're using be able to scoop out that powdered sugar, and you just sprinkle it on in. Okay. And trust me, ladies and gentlemen, today, people are holding those parties on Zoom or wherever, even in your home, if you're now doing face visits, and they're interested in these cooking shows or in these prepping of ingredients that they can save money for. So we put in there 3 of the tablespoons of the powdered sugar. Now we're going to use the extract. And so I have the extract here. Now I was looking at it before. Oh, that's what fell. Okay, excuse me that it fell on the ground. So we're going to wipe it off with our microfiber towel. You show that, but we're going to put in 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. And then from there, that's all we need. Now we're just going to pull the cord, and it tells you to be able to pull the cord. Where they have the old-fashioned one, but we're going to pull the cord for 90 seconds, as they say. Now, the great thing that I always love to share too, and I didn't get to do it on this time, but that we have our funnel. And with the funnel here, you can be able to, I'm not going to tilt it over to you because it'll spill things out, but it will have the opening of that funnel, and you can close that funnel, and there are measurements that are there. So if you need a tablespoon of something or 2 ounces of something, then you can feel the measurements on the outside. So we're going to get the cord, and they have a great way that you can put the pull cord in front of that the collar here, and we're just going to pull it. Simple. Now, for the sake of the 90 seconds, we're going to fast forward and put this to the side. The magic of television, our magic of the Zoom. And we're going to clean up our area here, make it attractive as we're showing it. And I already have it made. So let me come over there and show you. It is a soft serve. So you have a soft serve of the ice cream. And with our ice cream scoop, we're going to be able to scoop it out and put it in a beautiful bowl. Now, I usually eat this, but ice cream and I do not get along. So I love ice cream, but it doesn't like me. So what better way than to make your own ice cream without using rock salt? How many of you are older and you had to do it rock salt? Not anymore. So this is how you make your very quick ice cream.